What if you could capture every moment on the road, whether it's a beautiful sunrise or an unexpected incident, with clarity, precision, and peace of mind? Today, we're diving into the VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel 4K dashcam. This device promises to provide you with superior image quality, enhanced parking modes, and hands-free control, all wrapped up in a sleek, multifunctional package. Let's break it down to see if it really lives up to the hype. The VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel dashcam stands out with its impressive combination of features. It's equipped with not one but two Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX678 for the front camera and IMX675 for the rear camera, delivering exceptional 4K resolution for the front, 2K for the rear, and 1080p for the cabin camera. This combination ensures that every detail, from license plates to facial features, is captured with crystal clear clarity, both day and night. The HDR technology further enhances this by balancing out the light and dark spots, ensuring sharp, detailed images even in low light conditions. Now, let's talk real-world experience. The setup was straightforward, and the system connects seamlessly to your smartphone via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The app allows you to preview footage, adjust settings, and share clips, all from your device, which is a huge time saver. Plus, with its advanced parking modes, the A229 Pro offers 24/7 protection for your vehicle. Whether it's auto event detection or low bitrate, this dashcam ensures that you're always covered when you're away from the car. The infrared cabin recording is another feature worth mentioning, capturing sharp black and white images in total darkness, which could be incredibly useful for Uber or Lyft drivers. What's great about this camera is that it doesn't just record, it actively protects. The camera includes a buffer function that records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after detecting motion, so you never miss a crucial moment. The voice control is another thoughtful touch. With just a few simple commands, you can lock footage, change settings, or even check the camera's status, all while keeping your focus on the road. But, like all products, it has its downsides. The setup can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with dash cams, and it's important to use the recommended power cables and chargers. If not, the camera may not turn on, or it could overheat, though the built-in temperature sensor helps prevent this. The voice control is a nice feature, but it can be a bit finicky at times, especially in noisy environments. When it comes to build quality, the VIOFO A229 Pro impresses with a robust design. The materials used feel durable, and the camera itself is sturdy. However, it's not the most compact device on the market, which could be an issue for those looking for a more discreet camera. The included circular polarizing lens, CPL, does a great job reducing glare from windows and road surfaces, which is a significant improvement over many dash cams in this price range. Comparing the A229 Pro with similar models on the market, it excels in 4K recording and parking protection features, but its slightly higher price point may not make it the best choice for those on a tight budget. For example, the Vantru N4 offers similar features, but at a lower cost. However, the VIOFO A229 Pro's superior image quality and additional cabin camera make it a better option for those who want top-tier performance. So, who is this camera for? The VIOFO A229 Pro is ideal for drivers who want reliable, high-quality footage and 24/7 protection. It's perfect for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who spends a lot of time on the road and wants peace of mind. In conclusion, the VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel dashcam is a solid choice for anyone looking for a feature-packed dashcam with excellent image quality, superior parking protection, and easy-to-use controls. If you're looking for an all-around reliable dashcam that offers exceptional performance in both day and night conditions, this is a strong option. If budget is a concern, though, you might want to explore other options like the Vantru N4. If this review was helpful and you want to stay in the fast lane when it comes to fresh product insights, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Be sure to share your thoughts or ask questions in the comments below. And remember, you can find the link to get your hands on the VIOFO A229 Pro in the description box. Stay automated and drive safely.